Welcome from the Eastwood second grade team. My name is Miss Lind.
I'm Mrs. Kingsley.
Mrs. Isness.
I'm Mrs. Bettino.
Mrs. Bjorncutt.
I will be talking about social studies. In social studies for trimester 2, our second graders will be learning about the United States. Our students will learn a little of our nation's history and how to read a timeline. We will also be discussing the importance of businesses in the community, expecting our students to be able to explain the differences between goods and services, as well as consumers and products.
In science, our first science unit this year has what's called New Plants. The students have enjoyed planting and observing brassica plants to learn about the plant life cycle. We're getting really close to having some seeds to harvest. During the second trimester, we'll be investigating solids and liquids.
In English Language Arts, we'll continue our second trimester with our comprehension focus. We will dig deeper into inferences as well as learning to summarize what we read. Please continue to read with your child each night.
In writing, in trimester 1, we worked really hard learning the writing process. We learned how to generate ideas, organize our thoughts by filling out a storyboard, draft our ideas, and edit our writing by using the strategies dot and say, green light, red light, and bottom to top. In trimester 2, we'll learn how to compare and contrast two objects or two people. We'll also go back and work on the writer's workshop and learn how to write dialogue.
I'm Mrs. Bjorncutt. I'm going to talk about math. We've just finished up our Unit 3 learning about place value, money, and time. And looking ahead to the upcoming units, we'll be learning how to solve number story problems. And in Unit 5, we'll start geometry. We'll be learning about points and line segments and three-dimensional shapes, to name a few concepts. Thank you for helping your child with the homework links that go along with each lesson every night. Thank you, and that concludes our second grade presentation.